In today's video, we'll look at 2 examples of how to take a left turn from the left side lane at a signal. We have already discussed how to take a left turn in our previous videos. You can watch it here. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes and always follow their instructions. Pay attention to the signboard and road markings. Please note, you are a student. It is recommended to follow this border marking to enter the left lane safely. In this video, the car moves directly into the left lane. During your driving practice sessions, always follow the lane markings and the instructions given by your driving instructor. You need to pay attention to keeping your car in the center of the lane. If you don't know how, watch this video. Wait for the traffic signal to turn green. Now, pay attention to these road signs. This lane is for left turn and U-turn. This lane is for left turn. If you are a student, use this lane for a U-turn and this lane for a left turn. However, sometimes the examiner tells you to take a left turn, but you choose this lane. You should not choose this lane to take a left turn. But, if you have chosen this lane in your exam, then after turning left, join the left lane. After joining this lane, change lane to the right. Now, let's look at the second example. The examiner says, at the signal, take a left. You should choose this lane, but instead, you choose this lane. Notice that you cannot take a U-turn from here. During the road test, the examiner may ask you to make a U-turn at this point. That's why you should always pay attention to the road signs before selecting your lane. Here we have 2 lanes, but after the road becomes 3 lanes, this car will enter the left lane, while this car will enter the 3rd lane on the right. Wait for the traffic signal to turn green. After turning left, move into the left lane. Do not make the mistake of joining the 2nd or 3rd lane directly. If you are turning left from the left lane, you should first join the left lane, then change to the right lane when it is safe, and later change to the right again. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and make sure you practice them with your instructor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.